been a long while since my last video. But yeah, I was disassembling Wanderer, as you can see. And just a short backstory. When I started this MOC, I actually just built this 16 by 16 model, and everything you see around this 60 by 16 part was actually not planned to even exist as part of this MOC, but I just built it around it because this looks nice, but it wasn't impressive enough. At least that's what I thought. Anyways, when I uploaded this, people asked me if I could show them how I built this statue, and yeah, I'm just going to show you a little bit the technique that I used for this, and it's fairly simple, but still I think it's a nice topic for a video. So we'll just rip the top part of the mountain down here, and yeah, you can basically see right in there. It is attached to the back here, and if we now take let's take the entire piece here. This is basically the headpiece, and it's just with a, you know, it's something that looks kind of like I forgot the word. Anyways, you know what I mean. Like a cape over your head. You get the point. And then I just put a black 1x2 piece in there. Focus, please. That'd be really cool. Thank you. Yeah, to just give it the impression as if there was a shadow on the face of that statue. Whatever. My English is pretty rusty because I haven't been recording videos for quite a long time. Still, I think you get the point. So yeah, this is the headpiece, and then you can see in here basically how it's built. So we have these plates here. I'm gonna take this off as well, just so that I can take it off because it's kind of stuck in there. And when I take this off, you can kind of see how it's built. Come on, back on there. So here you go. You have these clips here, and onto that plate that's attached to this hinge, whatever thing, is this plate that basically is the cape of the statue hanging around. So this is basically how it's built, and then as you can see here, it's basically attached to these things. These two pieces are the pieces that hold the entire statue together, and onto these pieces with these studs on the side, I just attached these clips and put the plates on to just, you know, these parts. And then I basically put this part on, and onto that, where is the headpiece? I lost the hat, no, it's here. And then I basically put the headpiece on top, and it kind of made it look cool, you know. Yeah, that's basically it. Now we're gonna disassemble the rest of the MOC, and then that's gonna be it for this video, I think. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got a little insight to this statue build. I hope my English wasn't too rusty and you still understood everything I wanted to say. But I think it shouldn't be too hard because